Hey people, so it's like I've brought these my little chicks down to this garden, and it's just occurred to me that I should let these chicks out in these open kind of spaces as much as possible because we don't know about life, right? We don't know whether these little souls would survive and all of that. In fact, the pet shop owner herself told me that it's just we need to believe that they will live for 10-15 days. These are broiler chickens, so and they are so tiny and they've been colored like this. So even I'm not too hopeful of them living, but I believe that at least in these 15 days I want to give them a good life as much as possible. And while I'm recording, I am on the lookout for any cats and all of this. Normally, when I would come here with my, the thing about chicks is we can put them in a bag, which wasn't possible with rabbits really, but we can bring it. So I don't have to carry a bulky cage. But yeah, this is how it is, and I'm so glad I'm doing this recording. Three little chicks of mine.